Brand-recognizable slogans generally have a word or idea that links back to the brand, so that when people remember the slogan, they also remember the business that's connected to the slogan. For this reason in particular, brand-recognizable slogans are powerful. Two good examples of brand-recognizable slogans are, "Maybe she's born with it, maybe it's Maybelline," and "Beans means Heinz." Let's get started. You'll need a pen and paper, or a device with a blank document open. Get ready to press pause, because this is a fun step-by-step process, which allows you to create your slogan while you watch the video. We'll let you know when it's time to pause the video in order to write. Although you require a reasonable level of writing ability to write a brand-recognizable slogan, we've made the process as straightforward and fun as possible. We believe in you. A quick, initial note. There are many ways to write a brand-recognizable slogan. This is just one of them. If you find yourself organically trying something different as you follow the steps, great, go with it. The end goal is to write an effective, powerful brand-recognizable slogan. How you get there is your own personal journey. Enjoy. Step 1. Write down your business name. For the purpose of this exercise, we're going to write the name, YouTube, because we'll be using YouTube as our working example. You'll of course write down your own business name. Please pause the video now, and take a moment to write your business name before moving on to the next step. Step 2. Choose a word from your business name that you'd also like to include in your business slogan. When deciding on the word, choose one that isn't too generic and easily forgettable. For example, if your business name is Starlight Shoes, you'll link back to the word starlight, not shoes. If it's Dazzling Graphic Design, you'll link back to the word dazzling, not graphic or design. Additionally, or if there aren't any appropriate words in your business name, brainstorm some words that may at least link back to your business name in some way. For example, if your business name is Starlight Shoes, and you don't want to choose the word starlight, you may wish to choose the words twinkle or space, because they relate to the word starlight. Using the example of YouTube, we'd like to brainstorm some words that link back to the word YouTube. Here's our list of rough, brainstormed words. YouTube, videos, views, broadcast, film, play, pause. Your turn. Please pause the video and write down your rough list of brainstormed words that link back to your business name. Step 3. Put your words aside for now, and write the main message you want your slogan to convey. In our example, YouTube's main message, at the time of creating this video is, to give everyone a voice and show them the world. Please pause the video to write down your own main business message. If you don't know your main message off the top of your head, a good way to come up with it is to imagine you've been given 5 to 10 seconds to stand on a stage and talk about your business at the Super Bowl halftime show. What would you most want millions of people to know about your business, in just 5 to 10 seconds? Don't overthink it. What would you say? Step 4. Brainstorm a number of slogan ideas that link back to both your chosen word and message. Keeping your main message in mind, see if you can brainstorm a number of slogan ideas that integrate one of your brand-recognizable words. Write down your ideas without judgment. Let them flow. They may seem odd at first. That's okay. You're just brainstorming for now. Below are some of our ideas for YouTube, keeping in mind that our brainstormed words are YouTube, videos, views, broadcast, film, play and pause. And YouTube's main messages, to give everyone a voice and show them the world. Here are our rough slogan ideas, based on the above information. It's all about you. See the world through the tube. Give your views a voice. Enjoy the view. Voice your views. Your turn. Please pause the video to brainstorm your slogan ideas. Step 4. Choose your preferred slogan, and tweak and edit it until you're happy with it. In our working example for YouTube, we're going to choose the slogan, voice your views. We're then going to edit it to become, to voice your views, take the tube. We feel this slogan is suitable because it captures the essence of YouTube's main message, which is to give everyone a voice. It also incorporates a pun. View has two meanings, one being an opinion, the other being the view of watching a video. Finally, the word tube makes the slogan brand recognizable. Your turn. Please pause the video, choose your preferred slogan and tweak and edit it until you're happy with it. Step 5. Check. Flaunt. Leverage. This next step involves making sure you haven't accidentally created a slogan that's too similar or identical to another company's slogan. To do this, search the intellectual property database within your country, and contact them if you have any doubts. See the video description for links. If your slogan is good to go, consider trademarking or registering it, and flaunt it to the world. Leverage it by placing it on all your marketing material, including business cards, your website, and product packaging. Congratulations! And remember, we have more videos on how to write other types of slogans on our channel. Wishing you continued success in your business and life.